everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Liz here, and if you guys are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below and don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload any new content. Okay, today I'm going to be filming a simple and basic makeup tutorial for all of you out there that want to do their makeup. Right now I know it's recommended not to wear makeup during this time. Why? Because of the face mask. Because the face mask does clog your pores, and if you're wearing makeup, it's going to clog your pores and it's going to create breakouts in your skin. So it's pretty much not recommended to wear makeup, foundation and all that heavy stuff on your face, but do wear sunscreen. I do recommend to wear sunscreen. So I'm just going to do the basics of a makeup tutorial today, and if you guys want to see the video and probably do it with me as well, then just keep watching. I did wash my hands thoroughly so I could touch my face. So for this makeup look, I do, as you guys can see, I do have some breakouts. I have not touched them. It was like a kind of like a hard breakout, and it was scabbing and it fell, so I haven't touched it prior to this. I did exfoliate today because I kind of wanted to clean my skin up. And I do have breakouts, and I also wanted to do this just to show you guys how I cover this up. Okay, so for this makeup look, we can go in with foundation or concealer. It's your choice, whatever you feel works for you. If you're a person that's barely starting with makeup, I suggest a lightweight foundation. A really good foundation that is really lightweight for me and is drugstore, it is the Wet n Wild foundation. I also have been trying out the CoverGirl Vital Elixir Health one. So I feel like it's really kind of lightweight, and if you want to build up, it's buildable. I use a lot of drugstore foundation. Go in with the lightweight foundation for your makeup, or you can go in with concealer, which I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be going in with concealer because I really been loving the concealer, and you know, it kind of makes my skin look very natural. I really recommend for those beginners to start off with concealer. I know concealer can be, and it could sound full coverage, but it really isn't. The two concealers I'm going to be going in for this makeup look, it's going to be the Revlon Colorstay and the Wet n Wild concealer. And this one's cruelty free, and this is just generic, you know. And the primer is, it's debatable. A lot of people go for it and a lot of people don't. Primer is just to make your makeup last a little longer and help your makeup, your foundation stick on longer. You can go in with a nice thick moisturizer, or like not thick but a moisturizer, and right away go in with your foundation, just so the foundation sticks to your moisturizer and it won't slip and ruin everything. If I don't want to prime my face, I will go in with the CeraVe moisturizer and lotion. This is the one for it has hyaluronic acid, and this is non-scented, so it's perfect because I like to use non-scented on my skin, on my face, and the rest of my body I'll use a scented lotion. But for today, I'm going to be using the Ulta Beauty Hydrating Face Primer. This little one. This is like the travel size. So I already primed my face. I put toner and all that stuff and lotion. But I'm going to use a primer, and this is very hydrating, like it says. And I just get a little bit. This is a lot, honestly. And I just go in with my fingers. Like I said, my hands are washed. And I rub this all over my skin, working it into my skin. So I'm going to be going in with concealer. Usually I will just conceal here because I do have dark under circles right now. I do have, and I would just put dots here and cover that bad boy up. Once I have that one on, that's the Colorstay one, and I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild and just put a little bit on here. Okay, going in with my fingers and just blending this into my skin, and this is gonna make my skin look more natural. It's gonna, obviously it's not gonna give me the full coverage I would want, because I don't want a full coverage. I just want to cover up the redness that I have on my skin and the breakouts. You can see I'm blending it into my neck as well. And then I'm just gonna wipe my hands off. You can see it covered up the redness that I had on my skin. I am very pale, so you can see all the veins popping out of my skin. So now you can see that it covered up that redness. And now to get that full coverage on the spots that you have, like acne or just bumps that you have that are coming out, I am gonna take in a little bit of the two concealers as well again. Just a little bit. So this is the motion I'm doing on my face with the concealer. I'm not rubbing it, like blending out like this. I'm going like this, so it kind of presses in the concealer into that spot, and it's not going to move the product around. So I'm going to get that full coverage with just a bit of concealer. So I'm going like this, gently. Take in the Revlon concealer just to conceal my under eyes a little bit more. So I put a little bit of concealer. I'm just gonna bring that and blend it into the lids, just to give me that kind of awake look. You can skip this step if you don't want to put concealer. Okay, so we're done with the base. I am going to go in with the Neutrogena powder, the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Press Powder in the shade Fair 10. This is like my favorite press powder. I'm just going to go in with this, as you guys can see. I'm just going to grab the powder, just roll it in my brush, and then dust it off. And then I'm just going to press the same motion I did on the acne spots that I had. I'm going to do the same thing, just press it in. Now that we set the acne spots, I'm just going to take a little bit more and set the under eyes. I do crease a lot here. And then I'm just going to dust a little bit on the lid. Still, you can see the freckles on my nose, a little bit of redness, but not too much. I don't want too much coverage, and enough coverage to cover up some of the spots in my skin. So I'm going to be going in with my Milk Makeup eyeshadow quad, which I use as a bronzer. I'm going to contour, kind of shape my face. So I'm going to be contouring. So the contouring, I do it right here. And sometimes I go down, but I just do it up here just to make it look a little natural. Take a little bit more and just chisel the chin and the jawline. And bringing it down to the neck as well. I'm going to be taking the E.L.F palette for blush. And I'm going to be taking these two shades right here. Blush is different. For your face shape, you have to know your face shape and apply it the way your face shape is placed. So I'm just going to take the blush and apply some on right here. Really, as you all know, I've been loving blush. And what I like to do is apply whatever's left on my brush with no product on, and just apply it on my nose just to give me that nice kind of sun kiss that was all day in the sun, burnt nose, and I apply it all over my face just to give me a kind of like a glow. I'm gonna going to take my Ticket to Brazil bronzer from Wet n Wild and bronze up. So bronzer has, most of the time it has some shimmer. So if you don't want shimmery on your acne spots, then don't go in with bronzer. I don't recommend it. If you have acne spots, I recommend to go in with mattifying products, mattifying blush, contour. Obviously it's mattifying, but if you have acne and if you don't want to go in and make it enhance more, don't go in with shimmery products or like a shimmery blush or anything like that, because it's just gonna enhance your acne scars, spots, whatever you have on your face. I'm not gonna go apply product on the acne spot that I had, so I'm just gonna go very carefully with bronzer. I've been using two pencils. So I've been using the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil, and I also been using the E.L.F retractable pencil. So I'm not good at brows, so I'm just gonna skip forward to this. Once I have done my brows, I really like a fluffy brow, so I am going to take my Maybelline brow gel in clear. It's the one with the green bottle, with the green top. I like a very fluffy boy brow because I have brow hair, but I don't want like a thick brow hair. That's my goal. If you like highlighter, go ahead and apply highlighter. Sometimes I don't go in with highlighter, but in this case I am going to go in with highlighter just to amp up the look a little. And I'm going to go in with my Manizer Sisters from the Balm, and I'm going to go in with Mary Lou. It's the same thing with the highlight. You just want to apply it like so, and if you have acne or like having little bumps or whatever your case may be, don't apply it there. It's gonna enhance that situation more. No. And for my nose, I like to go in with my finger. And then go in with the brush just to soften it up. A little bit of facial setting spray, and then with a makeup set from E.L.F. So I went in with a little bit of that. And I'm gonna go in with the E.L.F. one. And as my last video, I am gonna tap this off. I'm gonna touch up a little bit on the high points on my face with the same highlighter, just to enhance that a little bit more. Okay. For the eyes, usually when I could go ahead and curl my lashes and put on mascara and call it done. But in this case, sometimes I go in with a bronzer. So I would go in with the Betty Luminizer bronzer from the Balm, or I can go in with a blush, a shiny blush, like so. The same. I always use this palette for eyeshadow as well. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of the Betty Luminizer on my lid just to enhance my lids a little. Not too much. I don't want to overdo it. Now to finish off the look, I'm gonna go in with my lash curler and go in with mascara, and this is the Ulta Beauty Ultimate Lash Mascara. I only have lip balm on my lips. So to finish off the look, I am gonna use the lip crayon from Ulta Beauty, and this is in the shade Festival. This is the finished makeup look. It's very easy, very simple to do, very fresh. Every time I do this makeup look, I feel very fresh. I feel very spring. I feel very summery. It's not a lot of coverage, like I said. As you guys can still see my blemishes, but I still have some coverage to cover them up. And yeah, I really like this makeup look, and I hope you like it too. If you guys do, please give it a big huge thumbs up. Comment down below what other makeup looks you guys want to see, or non-makeup related videos, or just comment whatever. And I'll get to you guys in the comments down below as soon as I can. And I hope you all stay safe, and I love you all, and I hope to see you all next time with another video. Bye.